Great. Now I'm gonna have to address this. Thanks a lot. No, me go set up camera and the video I never want to do. Luckily, I wake up beautiful every day. It's like, fuck. So it's a fuck work, you know. It's just a fuck work. Okay, you can do this. Do this. I can absolutely do this. Okay. I really and truly never wanted to come on the internet and address something like this, but at this point, apparently everybody's speculating about my love life. For what reason? I'm not really sure. But at this point, it seems like I need to give in and get a Christmas bae. So with that being said, auditions are officially open. Requirement? Be in the entertainment industry.
What did he say?
Welcome to my Christmas Bae auditions, where one lucky guy will be taking me home for the holidays. Now I have 6 candidates. Let's see which one of them is gonna be my Christmas Bae, if anyone qualifies. Let's meet the contestants. Okay, what's your name and occupation?
Don't know, AndImShelby's in easy. Where Blaine? A must of talent.
One shell up on it up. I'm a promoter. I keep all the hottest parties.
One DJ Sugarez.
Shelbert, I'm a producer.
I have a shell on. I'm a director.
One Ed Shelp on the girl. I am the road manager.
Why should I choose you as my Christmas Bae?
Why shouldn't you? On the full package.
Meet full of links. Anybody you need to get to, I can get to them. You need for network. Plus, you look like a girl that loves VIP. So any party you want to go, any event you want to go with a corporate or not corporate, we can get in at VIP. So you make sure you are ready, you're comfortable. Yeah.
Can't come to the shows with me sometime where them acts fly me out. Can't bring him.
Because I'm creative, hardworking, loving, caring.
Organize, discipline, all them thing there.
Don't know me for protect the artists. Lawyer.
If me did need protection, would I get a bodyguard? Nigga, what can you offer me this Christmas?
I can take you to some shows. Have you backstage with me? Yeah.
Really, nigga?
Oh no, I can't take one good shrimp. Roberto and I bought Airbnb though, and I grilled it up, so we can't go there so. Where him?
Can make your own personal mixtape. If me do that for you, that means I'ma love you.
Feel like hanging to some new equipment. Be Christmassy, I look like I do the contenting. Your is up, he's a vlogger.
I like this one.
I mean, I'd rather show you than tell you.
I have all the tour the world and can get you anything you want.
Are there any red flags about you that I should know?
I have no red flag in them, but it's not like people to bother me, you know? Yeah, sometimes I'm just like, what's up, mates?
Well, I wouldn't really call it a red flag, but I'm always on my phone. I don't think that's a problem though.
Me not red flag, you know. You see, me always have my laptop on me. Me always at work. Jovial. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of female friends.
Oh man, come out.
Shh.
Oh my friend.
The ladies always complain that I'm always working, but if I don't work, how am I going to get food? How am I going to get money to buy the things that they want?
I'm very spontaneous. Things can just come up last minute. I always at work, as you can see. Right after this, me go up on a shoot.
No, sir. You always flop me off him.
What would be the vibe? Like, what would you do for our first date?
Nice little restaurant on a night course. Or my friend have a restaurant up there, so we can have the whole restaurant to ourselves.
Your friend have own thing?
Why? I know what a date thing this time, you know, like this Christmas, maybe next year. Cause I have whole heap of party where I keep, you know, Christmas, yeah, so I really think the dating thing about work.
I know. Something adventurous. Well, by Mystic Morton or jet ski or something like that.
Me not really like the bugga anywhere, low-key and quiet. I think you would like that too.
Are you trying to hide me?
You know, somebody ready to do the going out thing, and you look like you're always cooking, you know, you look like you can cook, so I might just come by you one chill. And just smoke a slick.
So you're broke. All right, and my last question for you is, why did you choose to audition today?
You know what say? Me are the same Cause people, if I try mix me up on some things when I have nothing to do with me, some just feel like me, I can't relate.
Me is not the same.
You keep party, and me keep party. Some feel like, you know?
Not anymore. I mean, probably sometime in the future again, but not right now. So no, we don't have that in common.
It don't like you. Kinda too, come on. This that's what people think, you know what I mean?
Nobody thinks that.
We just a say.
See, you know, you seem like you can fit in my schedule. That me need a girl who can just adapt to my life. And you look like that type.
Fit into your schedule.
Uzbekistan. Is it?
You're literally an entourage member. Why are you? What does it mean? Yeah, I'm not doing this. I don't think I want to have any more auditions. One sec. Ah, hell no. Let's all just wrap this up. No. Honestly, this just confirmed why I'm still single, and I think I'm gonna take some time to reflect, pray, and possibly ignore this whole charade. Or I could let you guys help me pick my dream man, my Christmas bae in the comment sections down below. Some of them did their big one, and others were literal walking red flags. I could see them in HD 4K. Yeah, help me pick my new Christmas bae, and maybe I will see them in the next video. Okay, until then, thank you for watching the auditions, and I'll see you in the next episode of Shelmas. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out. Mwah. The people them what they just come for fast and I'm a business. Them got it? Okay. Well, I just wanted to pop in and say, oh my gosh, I'm back on the tour. I missed y'all so much. And if you got this far, I have a secret emoji for you. So make sure you comment down below. And let me know what other types of videos y'all want to see. This Shelmas. Gonna try my best to do a little something for y'all this holiday season. But yeah.
Bye, have a great time.